Hi, I'm Greg Artim from Artim Law, and today's video topic is going to be credit card cases that are filed at your local district justice. Any claim that is $12,000 or less can be filed at your local magistrate. Magistrate and district justice are interchangeable terms for your local justice of the peace. These lawsuits can be filed simply by having the creditor submit a fax or a letter through U.S. mail that basically has a couple of entries in it explaining why they think that you owe a certain amount to them. It's a very informal process. Once the lawsuit is filed and they pay the fee, then in most instances you will be served by what's called registered mail. It's where the postman comes, knocks on the door, and hands you a little item for you to sign, and then you receive notice of the lawsuit that way. On a very small minority, these cases are served by a local constable, but because that costs more, the creditors don't often take that option. The second topic that we want to talk about here in regards to credit card cases at your local district justice is know the judge. And this is actually the key to all of these cases. A lot of people don't know this, but a magistrate or a district justice is, in most cases, not an attorney. You don't have to go to law school. You don't have to pass the bar. You don't have to be a practicing lawyer. In order to become a magistrate or a district justice, you literally only have to win the next election in your jurisdiction. Once you win the election, you go on to magistrate school, which is about a 6-week class, and then you are now ready to sit and hear cases. This is a very important thing to know because some of these judges don't necessarily understand or care to follow credit card law. And that's something that you need to know beforehand. Is your judge consumer friendly or is your judge creditor friendly? We believe that the way that the law is set up in Pennsylvania, we should win every single case that is filed by a collection agency in Pennsylvania. The creditor or the collection agency is simply not going to have enough evidence to beat you. And so it's incumbent upon your judge to understand what credit card law is. Next, we want to talk about what you have to do to get to the hearing. If you go on to an internet chat room or you visit some of these other legal sites on the internet, a lot of people are telling you to file an answer and to ask for discovery. At the district justice level in Pennsylvania, there is no answer requirement, and frankly, you're not allowed to file an answer. The court really shouldn't accept it. If you want to defend a case at the magistrate level, all you simply have to do is call the magistrate up, let them know that you intend on defending, and then show up at the hearing. That brings us to our final issue that we have to talk about on these credit card cases is, should you actually attend the hearing? And quite frankly, the answer is no. Whether you're sued by an original creditor like Discover Bank or whether it's a junk debt buyer like Midland Credit Management or Portfolio Recovery Associates, you personally don't want to attend the hearing in almost every circumstance. And the reason for that is because you become a star witness for the credit card company. They have what's called the burden of proof at these cases. And what that means is they have to prove that you had the account, that you made purchases, that you made payments, and that you stopped making payments. And if the account's been sold to a debt buyer, they also have to prove ownership of that account. Now, in many instances, they're not going to have enough evidence or documentation to prove what I just described to you. So they rely on the fact that they're hoping that you attend the hearing so that they can pull you onto the stand, cross-examine you, and use your testimony to prove a case against yourself. So you don't want to attend. What you want to do is hire a consumer attorney, preferably somebody from Artim Law, so that we can go and represent your interest, get you a good result, and get you out of this. Thanks so much for watching today. I'm Greg Artim from Artim Law. Have a great day.